Months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. Let's learn. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Let's repeat. Months of the year. January, January. February, February. March, March. April, April. May. June, June. July. August, August. September. October. November. December. Now it's month's name quiz for kids. What is the first month of the year? January. Yes, the correct option is B. January. How many months are there in a year? 12. Yes, the correct option is B. 12. Which month comes after March? April. Yes, the correct option is A. April. Which is the last month of the year? December. Yes, the correct option is C. December. What comes before July? June. The correct option is A. June. Here is the kids activity. Fill in the missing letters to meet the months of the year. Hope you liked the video. Bye-bye.